I'm going to show you how to turn location services on or off on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into settings and then under settings, scroll down to location, tap on that. This is where you can disable location or enable location from here. If you want to enable and disable location services for specific apps, then you simply go back to the main settings page and then go to apps, app management, and then choose a specific app. For instance, I can go into contacts and then I can choose hit permissions, and then you can choose whether you want that app to access your location or not. Now, some will not even have the option because they never use your location permission. If you go to an app that sometimes requires permission like Facebook and go to permissions, you might see the option for location, and this is where you can enable or disable access to location for specific apps. Thanks for watching and good luck.